Hi guys, thank you for watching yet another tutorial video on my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to speed up your Windows 10 without spending any money on software. Just ensure you pay close attention and follow the steps very carefully. The first step is the power option step. Just look for the power option under the start menu and then simply click on the power option that are now shown in the results. After that, the control panel choice window will appear. As you can see, I have selected balanced as my default power plan. Set it to high performance and then you can now close the power option menu. Disabling unwanted startup program is the second step. You must first visit the task manager in order to do this. The simplest method to access the task manager is by clicking on an empty area in your taskbar and selecting Task Manager from there. As soon as the Task Manager opens, proceed to Startup and all of the apps that launch automatically when your computer boots up will be shown there. A little application that launches with Windows at startup is often added by the different softwares you install, and by installing a lot of softwares, you can cause your boot up to lag. Additionally, some of these apps slow down the speed of your system by running continuously in the background. However, it is quite unnecessary for apps you don't use often to launch every time Windows starts. So, to improve system efficiency and startup speed of your laptop, I will demonstrate how to deactivate the unwanted startup softwares. And as you can see, there are a lot of apps on this list that we use often, in addition to a lot of programs that we almost never use. So you have to determine which category each of these apps falls into for you. For instance, if you are not a frequent user of Skype, you can turn off Skype from starting up automatically when your computer boots up. I'll also turn off a few other programs that I don't use often. Be careful not to turn off any Microsoft Corporation programs, as this may still be operating on your system. And don't turn off your antivirus either. We are done for here. Right now, let's close the task manager and go to the next step. The third step is to optimize and defragment drives. In order to do this, you will need to return to the start menu. Type defragment into the search bar and then choose defragment and optimize drives. This window will now appear. You must choose your system drive from here. Since C drive is usually the culprit, let's choose C and click on optimize. Your system drive is now optimizing, as you can see. You must shut this window after it's completed. The fourth step is to delete unnecessary temporary files. In order to accomplish this, you have to go to the start menu. Right-click the Windows icon and choose Run from there. Now, enter %temp% in the box, and when you click OK, this folder will appear. Select everything present in the folder and delete it, and then you can close. Now that the folder has been closed, open the Run box once again by right-clicking the Windows icon and selecting Run. Enter temp, T-E-M-P, and press OK. A folder will now show up once again, and this time a dialog box will look like this. Press the continue button. Next, choose every file in here. Do a right click and delete it. Go ahead to the Run box once again, but this time around we are going to type prefetch and then click OK. Kindly note that all the commands I am using in this video will be available in the description. So, after seeing this video, you can just copy and utilize them as well. Once you click continue, you need to select everything and delete, after which you may choose to close the folder. The fifth step is the cleanup memory. Open File Explorer and do a right click on your system drive, often known as your C drive, or more precisely, the drive where your Windows 10 is installed. and then click on Properties. You may now see the disk cleaning option on the General tab. Simply click on it and let it do the file scanning. After the scanning is complete, you should click on the Clean Up System Files to initiate a new scan. This will bring up this new window as the completion of the scan. When you click OK, you will see a prompt asking you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click OK to remove the files. Note that only unneeded files will be deleted, so there is no cause for alarm. Your system is now being cleaned for all unnecessary files. The cleaning procedure is now complete. The sixth step is to reduce the runtime service. In order to do this, we need to open the run box by right-clicking on the Windows icon and then type msconfig in the run box. And after clicking OK, you should see this. And you can then go to Service. You should now choose the option to hide all Microsoft services. That is very crucial. I don't want you to inadvertently erase something significant. Thus, confirm that this option is selected, then click OK. The seventh step is the registry tweaks. In order to speed up Windows 10, I will now walk you through some registry tweaking. The first thing you need to do is to open the run box once again. To do this, go to the Windows icon, right-click on it, choose Run, enter regedit, and then press OK. This window will now appear, and from here, choose H key. Then go to the control panel and double-click on the mouse. Select the mouse over time option by double-clicking. Then adjust the amount to 10. Finally, click OK. Now double-click the desktop folder. Slightly scroll down. Double-click mouse display delay. Adjust the number to 10 and click OK. All we've done is lengthen the mouse response time. You should restart your computer to see all these changes take effect. Let's restart later, because I need to teach you one more thing to make your Windows 10 run faster. The eighth step is the visual effects. In order to improve your laptop speed, I will walk you through disabling the graphical performance of the Windows 10 interface in this final step. Please be aware that this won't affect these visuals of your programs or games. It will merely lower your Windows 10 OS graphics performance. For instance, you could notice a loss of visual effects after doing this, but your system performance will be maximized. Thus, the ultimate choice is entirely yours. However, for the sake of the video, I will demonstrate how to accomplish it. Feel free to give it a try, even if you find it unsatisfactory, since you can always return it to its original state later. So, shall we? Proceed to the search system at the end and start menu. Click on it to open this window. Click the Advanced System Settings hyperlink on the left. You will now see this little window with a setting button under Performance, Visual Effects, CPU Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Visual Memory. Simply click the Settings button to open the Performance Options window. These settings control the performance of Windows 10 and are also responsible for the majority of computer resources usage, including RAM, CPU, and graphics. I only suggest this if you want the best possible performance out of your computer. Click the Adjust for Optimum Performance option, and all of these options will be automatically unchecked. You are free to check the alternatives that you really must have. For example, in my situation, I would want to choose this option, Show Shadows Under Mouse Pointer. That's all there is to it. After modifying, just click Apply and OK. Let's now do a full system restart. So that's it, guys. That's how to make Windows 10 run faster. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more like it, and spread the word about it if you think it's good. You may always leave a comment on this video, which will assist more people in determining whether or not it is a good or bad one. You are welcome to ask any questions you may have, and I will respond to any of your comments. I am Nifemi Thompson, and I hope to see you on the next one.